give me several times your call.
Over, Roger, Roger. The call sign is a 13 Lima Radio 131. I repeat for you, 13 Lima Radio 131 Hamburg in Germany.
13 Lima Radio 131 QRP. You are 4 and 2, 4 and 3, 4 and 2, 4 and 3. You are on the log.
Many thanks. You can catch me with my Walkie Talkie radio. I'm using Walkie Talkie radio and standing in the kitchen inside my apartment. You're booming 5 and 7. 5 and 7 in my Walkie Talkie radio, 73s, and good luck.
5 and 3, sorry, 4243, 4243, I reserve you with the signal. But clear, thank you, bye-bye.
73s, bye.
Italy 025 for the Lima Echo Costa Lake Award.
Many thanks. I hope so is correct. Carlo, hope so, Carlo, your name. You can see the Albrecht Alpha Echo 2010 with the Albrecht CL27 HyFlex antenna inside my apartment, and you can see standing in my kitchen. Carlo, 73s, good luck, good activation. Thanks for QSO.
About the Costa Lake Award for the central west side of Italy. Thank you so much. You're on the log. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Nice. Very nice. I'm happy. 73s and good luck from the 13 Lima Radio 131 Walkie Talkie QRP.
Yeah, Roger, Jose, no
5 and 7.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Very nice. Good luck. Bye.